Hello everyone. So in this video, I'd like to talk about the power of regular investing. So we tend to think about this as something that we do in small amounts and perhaps early on in our investing careers. But actually this works really well for large amounts just as much as it does for small ones. And it works well almost regardless of your age as well. As long as you're looking to accumulate assets, so you're not spending and decumulating, then this works really, really well. And one of the reasons for that is because it helps compound, and that's what we need as investors. We need our asset base to compound and grow at a consistent rate that is hopefully higher than inflation. This can be really useful to do that. The second part is that it removes emotion. So a big part of investing is not just allocating capital, but it's the decision making that goes with that. And unfortunately, we're all human. We all have emotions, and we're not always sure about what is fact and what is emotion in our decision making. Well, if you're buying either the same asset or a set of assets every single month, just automatically, or you've got someone, an investment manager, doing it for you, then actually that can be incredibly useful because it removes that emotion of, should I allocate capital now? Should I wait until things get better? What if things get worse? Well, if you're investing for the very long term, sometimes we put too much of a weighting on very short-term events when actually we're investing for multiple decades, sometimes even hundreds of years. So actually, we need to take that into account. And regular investing consistently allocates capital regardless of what's going on. And we have to remember that as investors, we make our money when we buy, not necessarily when we sell. So if we're very disciplined when we're buying, hopefully that can help us through the long term. The third way that regular investing can help you is by making it a habit. So allocating capital to investments on an ad hoc, lumpy basis is fine, but again, you're back to the realm of emotion of, do I allocate capital now? What if this happens? What if that happens? It's a big chunk of money. What if I need it? What if I need to call it back for some reason or another? What if something happens? All of these kind of things are perfectly rational thoughts, but we need to be very careful about how we let those interfere with our decision making. Whereas if you make something a habit, then you just tend to do it and you almost forget about it in a lot of ways. And that's what we need as investors. We need it to be habitual. Allocation of capital in a smart way on a regular basis is where a lot of good outcomes can come from. So remember that regular investing can help compounding, help remove emotion, and help make investing a habit. It's a very powerful toolkit. So that's all from me. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. And as always, please do like, comment, and share if you found this useful. Thank you.